Hey guys, this is me again, Carlo. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made this intro for TV Patrol, but just a portion of it. So we're just gonna we're just gonna break down how I did this scene here, right here. I'm just gonna show you how I did that scenery. So, okay, you know what? Let me show you what I did for them back in 2014, 2015, I guess. So let's see. So that's it. That was my first project with ABS-CBN TV Patrol. I didn't even know how to smoothen the animations. Like, it's a little bit sloppy in a way, but I'm so proud of it because I've been using Cinema 4D that we're gonna use for this tutorial. I've been using it like 2 months before I did this OBB. So, I'm still proud of myself that I've done this thing, and I literally, I put our names in here. So, yeah, it's RC, Marcelino, and it's me. Yeah, so, let's jump right in. So, what we're gonna need is Cinema 4D. This one. You can install this for a trial version, and yeah, let's jump right in. So what we're gonna do is the scene right here. So specifically the globe behind PJ de la Pena. That guy right there is our TV Patrol anchor in Cagayan de Oro. So yeah, let's see if I can still do it. The moment of truth. Let's see. Hold on, where is it? There you go. So I'm just gonna do this stripe globe thing animation. So okay. First, we need a sphere, and let's increase the segments. Segments are these little tiny polygon that you can see on a 3D surface. So if I can just put a ground shading, you can see the section of the sphere. So that's really important to understand, because if you have more polygons on your 3D, it is more smooth. So if I will reduce the segments, then you'll have you know like a poly thing right here. So if you wanna smoothen that out, you just increase the segments or polygon. So yeah, let's see. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So what I remember is making this sphere half. By doing that is basically you have to make it hemisphere. There you go. There you go. I don't remember how I thicken, how I make the sphere thick enough. Maybe I can put on, I don't know if it will work, but if not, that's okay. And it doesn't work, so let's just get rid of that extrude node. The important thing is we'll do the animation where you can see it is kind of stripe thing going on there. So around here. So let's see. So what I did there is I put a basic cube and flatten that cube out, and then make the size overlapped the sphere. And then, you know, if I will do this, you can kind of see it cuttens or cut the sphere. But if you are familiar with Photoshop, if you have like logo and you want to mask it, you have to have like a path, or you have to have like a shape above your layer so that you can cut it out. So on 3D, on this one, what we're gonna do is duplicate this cube right here. Let's see if it's still gonna work, you know. There you go. And then you can kind of see the process, what I'm going for. If I will move that above there, you will see the brief animation. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is group this by clicking Option Control G. Then yeah, let's see, mask. Let's name that into mask. And then, oh boy, I don't know. Hold on. Oh, it's a bool. So in order for us to make this invisible and we'll cut the sphere, is we're gonna use the effect called bool here. And then we'll try that real quick. There you go. But it's there you go. There you go. See? You can see the animation, right? So that's what I did there. So let's just duplicate this cube so that we can have more animation. So let's just disable this real quick, and yeah, there you go. There you go. The moment of truth. So it is working. So that was the process that I did there. Now how about inside that globe? So let me just duplicate this bool. Hold on, let me just duplicate this bool and just, you know, there you go. So let's make it 180 degrees. There you go. Oh, before we're gonna duplicate it, let's animate it first. So I will just make a basic animation here, right here in our mask. So what we're gonna do, this is called the timeline here in Cinema 4D. So we'll just click here, and then click that mask, and hold on, there's a little bit problem here. Oh, okay. So we have a problem there, so I'm sorry. So we just have we'll just manually animate this sphere right here. So let's just click that, and then like that, then we lock it in. So as you can see, we have now a smooth animation. There you go. So now we can duplicate the bool and put it on a null object so that we can rotate it freely, and then, you know, just do the same thing earlier. Let's just do 180 degrees, and then there you go. We have our sphere. See? There you go. And then in the middle of that sphere is also wireframe sphere kind of thing. So we'll do that again. So we'll have a sphere right here. Let's just disable first this thing right here, and then select ground shading real quick so that you can see the orientation of our polygon. So object, I believe it's hexagon. Nope. There you go. Yeah, maybe that's it. And then let's just increase that. Let's see. Maybe this. Nope. Let me see. I mean, that's all right. You get the idea. And then let's do a, I don't know if I still can remember. Oh, it's an atom array effect. So we'll put the sphere. There you go. And then you just tweak it a little bit. So click the atom array and then make the cylinder radius a little bit more smaller. Yep. 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 A little bit more smaller. Okay. There you go. There you have it. Let's see. There you have it. Let's just make it smaller. There you have it. There you have it. Okay, so that's it. There you have it. Just, if you want to animate this sphere, just rotate it wherever you want to make it rotate. So let's see if I can. There you go. There you go. There you go. So it's a little bit fast, so we'll reduce the speed of the animation, or yeah, it's like there. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Just apply that color over there. Yep, that's it. That's the process of this scene, and it took me a while to achieve this animation, because I can't see tutorials on YouTube way back when I still learning Cinema 4D. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.